Have you ever felt a tickle in your nose that you just couldn't ignore? Maybe you were walking outside and suddenly, achoo! You sneezed. But have you ever wondered why we sneeze at all? Some people think sneezing happens only when we're sick. Others believe it means someone is talking about us. But the real answer is much more fascinating and has to do with your nose being a superhero guard. Your nose is like a special filter for your body, helping to clean the air you breathe. When you take a breath, tiny bits of dust, pollen from plants, or even pepper can float inside your nose. Sometimes germs try to sneak in too. Luckily, your nose has little hairs and a sticky liquid called mucus, working hard to trap these unwanted visitors. But what if something really tickly gets into your nose, like a speck of dust or strong perfume? That's when your body's alarm goes off. Special nerve endings inside your nose send a secret message to your brain. Danger! Something's bothering me. Your brain acts fast. It tells your chest muscles, throat, and nose to all work together. In one crazy moment, you breathe in deeply, your eyes might close, and achoo! You sneeze, blasting out air from your nose and mouth faster than a race car. A sneeze is like a giant broom, sweeping out anything that shouldn't be in your nose. It's powerful, sometimes shooting tiny drops into the air at over 100 kilometers per hour. That way, the dust, pollen, or germs get kicked out and can't bother you anymore. Sneezes aren't just for humans. Dogs, cats, and even elephants sneeze when their noses get tickled too. It's something many animals do to protect themselves. Next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of keeping you safe and healthy. And always try to sneeze into your elbow or a tissue, so the superhero power of your sneeze doesn't spread germs to others.